How to insert rupee sign in MS Word. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open MS Word document in which you want to include the rupee sign. Then after, go to Insert in the Ribbon tab, go to Symbol at the last. Then after, you will see rupee sign in the front in the list of symbol. If you don't, simply click on More Symbol option. Now, in the font section you can choose Arial. After that, simply toggle on the feature of Advanced View. Go to Unicode and type 20B9. Then after, you will be able to see the rupee sign. Click on it and include in your document. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.